Chef Van, one of the head of the team of Netherlands, and I asked him to give you guys advice to choose what you want to be a good chef or not, and what is the secret to be a good chef.
Well, the secret is when you are young, you have to learn as much as possible and see that you work in good restaurants or hotels and participate with team spirits for contests. Then you learn a lot, and then later you will become a very good chef.
One more thing, chef. Is there any magic key to be successful chef?
Yeah, it's always a lot of learning. Of course, a good school, good learning, work, make stage in good restaurants, and then you have to learn a lot.
So there is no magic key, only practice,
yeah,
and they try to search and find the knowledge and the practice.
Yeah, and then after a few years you get more experience, and every time you get a little bit more a better chef.
Because the new chefs, they think that if I learn one technique and I can be a good chef in short times.
You have to be all round. Maybe the pastry is maybe separate, but for in the kitchen you have to know the cold way, the hot way, fish, meat, vegetables. You have to do. Then you are complete.
So you not search only to be a good in hot kitchen, garde manger or a la carte. You must know all the.
Yeah, you have to be all round. I think that's the best way. And then later, when you get a little bit older, you can choose or restaurant a la carte or hotel or community catering or whatever. But first, you have to know the basic. You have to know everything in the kitchen.
Thank you so much, chef, for this advice, and I know it's come from our long life experience. Thank you, chef.
Okay, you're welcome.
Van.
You're welcome.
Have a beautiful day.
Okay, thank you.